He's coming right toward me. Hello. How you doing? Yep. And that's magpies for you. And here's a fun fact. The reason why noisy miners always follow magpies or anything else is for like food sources, because since magpies are really smart and intelligent, and they always hey Nick, where you going? Yep, so that's next for you. And noisy miners, even crows, and they follow magpies for their really good food sources. Yeah, and back and everything else. He's coming. Oh my. Hello. And this is Gore, right here. He's a really friendly magpie. I'm sorry, Gore, I don't have anything for you, but your food's still right there. Go. Here. Go this way. Wrong way. No, that's completely the wrong way. What are you doing? I think he knows what he's doing. You know, so magpies are intelligent. They come here every once so often. You know, they come from the nests because it's spring, also known as swooping season. But they don't swoop me because I feed them. You know, magpies are very intelligent. You know, so yeah. He's walking away now. So there you go, Bean. Come. Why are you on my front doorstep? Wow, that's new, huh? Well, that's new, eh? You on my front doorstep, man? Why are you here? Why he followed me? Wow, really intelligent, man. Oh, are you okay? My God! Anything for food, I guess. I think he's patchy. Oh. Let me give you an aerial view. As you can see, that's him. It's like the furthest he's ever been. Oh my. So he flew into that post over there. His nest is over there. They like, whoops. So that's his eating source. And yes, you can feed magpies rice, and they're probably gonna come back sooner or later. Honestly, man, sooner or later it's gonna come swoop down here and get it. But I just walked there into my house, and then he just came. So he'll probably come back again. But later updates will come back soon. Oh my God! You scared me, man. What are you doing? Down this way. Oh my God! You are scaring me, bro. Don't do that ever again, please. There's a noisy miner following him. Hello. How you doing? Look at the toes. Look at the toes. Boy, see? He's like his personal like little shadow. Oh my God! Right. And the noisy miner is eating the rice. And the magpie is somewhere. It's over there. Yeah. Just eating. and a pigeon join it. When look at that. This is currently his nesting season, so he's gonna come here. He's gonna go all the way back and then just come, because he's trying to feed his nest, his babies. So yeah, and it's probably gonna go too. Yep, see, and he's going to come back soon. Well, further updates coming from Nick. Oh, see, look, he's over there. Oh, the camera can't reach him, but yeah, he's over there. See ya. Stay tuned for more updates. So, because he'll probably come back. Don't want to hit the track star. Hola. Hey, little guy. Oh my gear. Can you touch him? No, I can't. Okay. What are you doing? I don't know what these guys laugh about this. I just come here every so often. I think now they're coming really close. Doot, doot. I told you, it's coming back and forth. Glory. He's probably going to take off again. See? He's going all the way. Oh, to a different pole this time. It's up there, in that little pole right there. The camera can reach him, but do you see like that long wooden pole right there? Right up. He's on top of that pole. I'm not sure if you can see it. Oh, he's coming back. Oh no, he's leaving. Alright, he'll be back in a bit. Alright, so this is like Gloria's, which is my magpie friend, like little shadow kinda. And these guys actually learn from the magpies, and even crows even follow the magpies too. But like there's some sort of like vendetta against crows and magpies, so oh, he's coming back again. Please don't shoot me, please don't shoot me, please don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Hola. Wait right there, I'll get you some food. Oh my god, bro, what are you doing? Okay, I will get you some food, alright? I'll get, can't come in my house, bro. Do not come in my house, bro. Okay, stay. I'm in the house, bro. Stay. Wait, Mom. Alright. Hey, come. Okay, come. Da-da. He's in the house. Hello. Come. Yep. There's a magpie in the house. How's it? Oh. Do you like this face? He's gonna make constant trips here and back. It's normal magpie behavior. We're making nests, I think. Hola. Hey, no, come. Up. I hear you. Take. So fun. This one is on a not my, it's wild. Eat. Do. Da. Up. Yeah, good girl. Boy. Okay. And goodbye. Alright, here's some info about Gloria and Nyx. So, Gloria either goes to there, which is basically like his eating spot, but his nest, like his real nest, is I mean you can see him flying. It's like there. It's going like that way in that little thing. I have more but ready. I mean, no. Okay, I just have to wait for him to come back. This is like really good fun. Good fun. Make sure to stay tuned because probably gonna come back. And here's some tips on to how to start being pets with a magpie. So some magpies are like really chill. Oh my god, noisy miner. And the only thing that if you wanna like raise like a bird like me, well not raise, like feed one, just all you do is just be really patient. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just starting with mints, rice, nuts, honestly anything. And you can also eat apples, so yeah, for that's it. But stay tuned, it's probably gonna come back. Doesn't no noisy miner know something that I don't know? Does he think that okay, we go back. What makes sudden movements? You go to Mars, but I literally own a mag. I mean, why do people think I own it? It's a wild.